Hey everybody, what is HG and how did it make me $4,012.50? Hope everybody doing well. This is DW40. For those who don't know me, I do trade for real. Unlike most people you see here in the media, we trade, we just don't talk about it. So my goal is to help everyone improve their financial education and learn more about the markets. I want to help everyone, not just Wall Street, profit in down, up, sideways, backwards markets. You get the drift, regardless of whether you're trading stocks, cryptos, or anything else that moves. Remember, any examples are educational only. Some might be hypothetical trades or setups, but this is not financial advice. Why do you want to listen to me? I've been day trading, position, and swing trading profitably for over 15 years through multiple bull and bear markets, and I'm making money in 2022 when lots of people are not, unfortunately. So get educated, stay tuned, make sure you stay until the end of this video. I'll tell you what I'm looking at for the next trade. This is a great channel to know what we're doing and what we're up to, so thanks in advance for liking and subscribing to the channel. So let's hop in. What is HG? And there you go, just one of the trades that we closed out from earlier. HG is the futures contract for copper. Copper, a lot of people don't know, very, very important. We talked about the US dollar and how it's linked to that, well, all commodities that is. But copper is very important actually for the whole social greening, or the ESG, which is the environment, social, government, green movement, because copper is used in a lot of the green energy and green technology. So longer term, very bullish on this commodity, but short term, this is trading view in the daily chart here. You can see that the price has just gotten absolutely smoked here since June of this month, along with some of the other broader stock markets and things like that. But was able to pick out a nice little long or buy here at near the bottom for now, and that's what led to picking up $4,012.50 on the day. It was a quick little trade. I think it was only 2 or 3 days, but it is a great instrument. And the reason I wanted to highlight copper, let's flip over here. As always, if you want to learn more about why we like futures, how they work, we'll put some courses together. I think coming up here, a lot of people are asking for it. Very simple ways. But if you want to go do some of your own research, click around, check out cmegroup.com, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, cmegroup.com. It is a great place to get all the information that you need. So let me just show you here. Let's go over here. HG is copper. And I can see the ticker, HG. And remember, the last two are always kind of the code that tells you what month it is. Futures, the ticker will stay the same, HG, but the back half of it will change depending on when you're changing it, but it's not a big deal. So there's copper, the current price, the movement, and you can see from here, if I take a look at this, it does move at $12.50 a tick. Tick is like the minimal amount of movement on this contract. So every time this chart clicks up or down one tick of movement, it's $12.50. So this little move here today was worth over $4,000 to give you kind of scale and context to what's going on. The reason I love copper, especially on the futures side, is, to my knowledge, I don't think there's a really great way to trade this with either, a pure play. There might be some stocks that are tied to mining copper, but I don't think there's an ETF or anything that's very clean that doesn't give you tracking error and a bunch of garbage like that in an ETN or some of that other stuff. So it is a great way to be looking at this and playing around. And because it has been very volatile, as you can see from this chart, moving all over the place, and given what's going on with the US dollar and some of the other commodities and just kind of the world in general right now, and you put that catalyst longer term with it being very big in the green space, I think this is something you want to keep your eye on or get educated about for future reference and usage. So recap, we were looking at HG, copper, here on TradingView. why it's important, why to learn about it. It's going to be moving all over the place, give you a lot of opportunity. Just closed out this long trade here. You can see with the +1 for a little over 4,000 bucks. Other than that, not a ton of activity today. I closed out that NASDAQ short we were talking about, ended up losing, I think, 700 or 800 bucks. But still, overall, pretty darn nice day from that regard. So if you have any questions or comments, what else am I going to be looking at next was kind of the hook. I think it's going to be probably in the rates side, the currency side is what I'm kind of keeping an eye on here. So the euro and the yen and a couple of these other ones. 6A is the Aussie dollar, 6C is the Canadian dollar. There might be some interesting moves coming up here. So those are all kind of on my radar for what's next that we might be looking at if the right opportunity arises to drop in a trade or a test, as I always like to say. So with that, if you'd like to see anything else made or comments on any other types of markets, please drop it in the comments. Let us know. Remember, this channel is a great way to keep up to with what we're doing right now. And we appreciate you liking and subscribing for trade ideas, thoughts, and a little entertainment, as we always say. So with that said, have a great day. DW out for now.